From audit stress to success, overcoming the 6 more common challenges. In the pharmaceutical industry, auditees are under immense pressure to demonstrate adherence to GMP regulations, because the consequences of non-compliance can be quite severe, such as fines, penalties, and even suspension of manufacturing. What's even worse, audits can come at any moment, often without warning. That's why we've compiled 6 common audit challenges and their solutions to keep you audit ready. Challenge 1. Lack of preparation. One of the most common audit challenges is inadequate preparation. This includes not understanding the audit process, not having all the necessary documentation, and not having the right people present during the audit. A lack of preparation can lead to confusion, miscommunication, and even non-compliance issues during the audit. Start by preparing an audit tour to guide auditors through your facility in a logical order. Designate knowledgeable hosts from each department to interact with auditors and answer their questions. Conduct a practice session with these hosts before the real audit to ensure they are well prepared. Challenge 2. Non-compliance with GMP regulations. Non-compliance with good manufacturing practices, GMP, regulations can lead to serious audit issues. These regulations ensure that products are consistently produced with the required quality. Non-compliance can result in regulatory actions, product recalls, and damage your company's reputation. Before the audit, ensure your facility commissioning, equipment qualification, and process validation are in place and current. Have clearly defined job descriptions and responsibilities, updated standard operating procedures for each department, and ensured personnel are appropriately trained. Challenge 3. Poor documentation. Inadequate or even disorganized documentation can lead to audit complications. Poorly written documentation can lead to misunderstandings and more questions, affecting the audit's outcome. Maintain a list of all documents subject to assessment during the audit, including the site master file, quality manual, validations, and important SOPs. Have a designated area to hold these documents ready during the audit and review them before presenting them to auditors. Challenge 4. Ineffective communication. Miscommunication or lack of clear communication can lead to misunderstandings during an audit. Ineffective communication can lead to incorrect assumptions and non-compliance findings, affecting the overall audit experience. Ensure everyone is trained on the audit process and how to respond to the auditor's questions. Never provide more information than requested. Challenge 5. Understanding your auditors. Knowing your auditors is as crucial as understanding the audit process itself. Auditors can come from various backgrounds and have different interests, which can influence their focus on the audit. Investigate the background and interests of your auditors. This can help you anticipate their questions and concerns, allowing you to prepare the audit more effectively. This information is also useful to build a positive relationship with your auditors. Challenge 6. The power of internal audits. Internal audits are a powerful tool to be ready for the real ones. They provide an opportunity to identify and address issues before an external audit, reducing the risk of non-compliance findings. Regularly conduct internal audits to assess your compliance with GMP regulations and other requirements. Use the findings to improve your processes and documentation. Remember, internal audits are about finding faults and continuous improvement and readiness for external audits. And with the 6 tips we've just provided, you can confidently face any audit. Always remember, the key to a successful audit lies in thorough preparation. Join our next webinar tomorrow to learn how to release the stress of last-minute scrambles and turn audits into comfortable routines. Register now at www.qualistery.com.